Hey guys, welcome, welcome. So as you can see, I'm in, you know, there's a Maidan, we call it in Kolkata. So I'm in here, the Maidan right now, and as you can see in my background, this is a Maidan. It's a overall place of around like maybe, shayad 20 acres maybe I think. So there's a place, and there's a you can see there's a whole counties were playing like kabaddi, and there's football. Kolkata loves football, right? Yeah. And this is a firstly I need to look into show this place, this goddamn Victoria Memorial. I really fucking love it. That's why, yeah, really, the way I see it, for mostly in the early mornings and the sunsets, which you can't imagine, like how much I've seen it, and how much the view is. And shayad in mornings, so these houses will be there. There's a sad houses, I can say, like they don't get that much food. And as you can see, the skeletons were appearing, not this one, but there were houses around there, and around there I believe. No, there, yeah, there. So so they're chewing the things, and chewing the grass, and it's all. And as you can see, I really love that there's a e- e- where's this camera focusing. There's a there's a tree out, right? The tree is there, right? There's a beautiful photos coming in there, especially for women. If we have they have wear like a light colors, like a sky blue, or a very, it should be light sky blue. That's the only which are low rose maybe, very pink rose. That's a very that makes you know very, you will get a very beautiful pics for the, and beside to that tree, you know independent tree. And you should cover that palace as well. So with that, you will get a very nice photo. And so I have taken some photos of here. And so like arey yaar. So like I have taken some photos on this place, and I really love the houses, don't you? You also, right? Yeah. And just now I met a Fauji. There's a military guy, and we had a nice chat. Very nice chat. And he gone through. He is actually doing the vlogs, and his office, like his military camp is nearby. So on that place, we need to go. There's a Bagal Seta. So like and we, after crossing that road, there's a military camp is there. And there's one more place, he said, like the James Pristine Lakeview. It's not a lakeview, it's a river view, which is a Ganges, which is in Kolkata we call it a Hooghly River. So he said that we try it out. I'll go I'll go and see you on next 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 vlogs. Thank you.